One of my people that put everything and anything on Instagram. Babes, I'm afraid, Mustafa.
I have a surprise for you.
Surprise? What are you up to? What is? It's real?
Yes.
I don't want no kids. Kids? Really?
Fight for your right.
Always listen now.
Fight for your right.
Always buckle up and let's take a ride. Let's go see what life is like. Cause when you're black, you got to pay the price. Living in poor and poverty ain't nice. So when you get an option, just make a choice. And when you make a choice, make sure it's right. Cause what is life? Life is a reality. Me see poor people living in poverty. Leaders of the world, they're living in luxury. And all the ghetto youths, they're living in misery. When all the little girls, they are living strife. So what is life? Life is a reality. Me see poor people living in poverty. Leaders of the world, they're living in luxury. And all the ghetto youths, they're living in misery. When all the little girls, they are living strife. So what is life? You better make sure that you do the right. Stop think once, start think twice. Stop all the war, fussing and fight. Warring by day and war by night. When the time is right, it's gonna be alright. Let us all unite. Let us all unite. Wow. So this real? Maybe we should have film it. Put it over bed. What do you think?
You're serious?
Of course!
So, why you behave like that?
A joke, man. You can't take a little joke. It's a kick. Already?
Like, seriously?
What if should I call? Should I tell nobody?
No.
Oh, not yet.
No, not yet.
Should I go dinner? Tomorrow night?
Yes, tomorrow
The
night.
same place?
Yes.
We didn't know all along.
Like, seriously, oh, you know that?
We just know. You know what them say? As a man, you just know. I'm boy, no. You know say I'm boy?
No.
I got strong feelings say I'm boy.
No.
Boy.
It's a girl.
No. Boy. See, I know my babes. I didn't know all along.
Like,
Amazing!
Where go on? I call her and I not get. Alright. Voicemail. Just voicemail. Like a idiot girl is man.
Macho Wagwan Kushites, my lad. Daddy, a terrible thing I go on, Daddy. You Wagwan, my lad.
Wagwan, I know,
Man,
brother.
them hold on for Reno Flex in a guy.
Reno Flex.
Hold on for him for murder, my lad.
So I tell the man about dirty style from where they may want the man saying for just easy himself for the man.
What
Look
do
where
you
man
want
put
him to
himself in
Kushites?
now.
Wrong people, them killing him, my lad.
Sure.
John, no. But you going on now? We have to talk to him, get him parents them, and make some phone call, and so I go on. You know what I mean?
Yeah, General.
Yeah, because music was saying that we not left for artists, you know. Even
No,
though...
then the man on the right part right now, man. I say, I talk to the man, you know. I say, youth, easy. Right now, I don't feel do no more studio.
Yeah, they feel it, you know. They feel it, you know. Yeah, man.
Right now.
Yeah, man, I'm not
I
sure.
like that energy. I mash up my meds style. John knows style. I talk to the man, you know. I talk to the man.
We don't mind every day we talk to the warrior, you know, my
I
lad.
left the studio still.
So, Major, what you do, my lad? What you do? From to my time, God, I'm for work,
Session
you
forward for the journey.
Yeah, man, come for working.
No studio that
Daddy.
You should never give up on your dreams, no matter what the consequences may be. Hear me out. You hold the key to your success in life. You will determine if you wanna do the right. You have the answer to your failure in life. The key to your future in life.
Yeah, Steph. So how's your friend doing? Mama. Still not doing better? After all that time? So what them say? What? The doctor them said them detect trace of coolant in our system. So where did that come from, Steph? What's your husband? Mama always, to me she always act like she get caught up in a one bag of mix up. Me never trust that girl. What a thing. So babes, you gonna be home early tonight? Cook, you can't be no cooking. Food left over there in the fridge, you can eat up. Okay, love you too, see you. Bye.
Hey Nevia, look like we're destined to be together, you know, girl. Like second day now I see you straight.
When you allow me out, Rambo, you don't want nobody. Where you follow me up for?
What do you mean I don't want nobody, my girl? I'm going to tell you something I want in my life.
I saw when you see people happy when you try to get in them thing.
Happy? Or you feel happy with the man who kill a brother?
Which man killed my brother?
So you know hear what I go on the street? You know you say that man who you there with him kill a brother. And anything what people say, if you don't go so, you near go so.
I don't have time for this still, so later.
I don't have time for this. I tell you say a bad man life for you, my girl. That more you know. Anyway, take care of yourself here.
Yeah, man.
Chief, we think this man are good enough, man. All the man do is go work, come home. And we are watching him too long now. And we not see him do nothing. Thinking clean.
Patient, man, patient.
We don't waste time I say no, Chief. We don't have time now.
Just be patient, man. Just be patient. Based upon what Doc tell me, I have a strong feeling, say, we're going to coop that boy. Just be patient, man. There's a strong hopes in me that that boy a criminal.
Yo, you may say big woman thing. I don't want no man touch nothing till my forward, bad man. See? I need a bag of chatting. Yo, brother, hang up your phone, boy. No man.
Cause you mean to tell me say you killed my brother, I have the heart for you come at me. The police them know who killed my brother.
Where you get that story there from?
And you killed my brother, coach.
Where you get that story there from?
Look at me and tell me say no, you killed my brother.
Who tell you something?
I just can't believe you killed my brother, coach. Looking at me and tell me say you don't kill my brother, coach. You know what? Man, just come out of here, please.
Best thing that you do, cause would have bust out the head like your brother. Too lucky, you're lucky. Yeah, babe. What? Lord Jesus Christ. Is Berlina killing himself? Shano. Mr. Stephanie, see, man, you know?
Remember that I tried to tell you the other day, say me see him and he don't look right. I tried to tell him, man, say he can't live in life, so. I don't tell you, say the other day, I tried to tell you. But I never end up ever tell you because you have the girls, so I got to work out. The man live at home, so the woman have 2 more girls to breed. Let me see, man, remember me not tell him, say, he didn't look too right. Then I went to something. Unbelievable. I come home late tonight? Alright. Wow.
Yo, so you say, Quan, I see scammer boy in the dog?
Yeah, dog. You see me? You saw them there. They say ready now for them food.
Come to your dog for not killing man, you're willing, brother.
Yo, how much you need that?
How much you need?
19 a night, you know, just do your thing off hard, man. They're right to start it, you know.
What's it on for?
Yeah, man, do your thing, man. Do it, so you see it.
Get shot in the dam, get shot in the dam. See then, yo, man, this most shot down, get shot in the dam. Yo, get shot in the dam, come on, that's done, huh? Yo, push me a shot, yo. Which way me now? Give me half the amount in the dam. Yo, damn, you bleed out, damn, you're dead, dam.
No, man, everything I good, man.
Yo. No, can't tell you, damn, you bleed, dam.
No, man, let me get
yo, I can get shot, brother.
Yo, I know somebody.
Yo, I'm dead, dog.
I'm not going to hospital, yo. I'm not going to hospital.
Yo, no.
Yo, just hold on, man. Yo, I make somebody help me, man. Don't worry yourself.
Yo, make sure this one not kill me, no, dog.
No, sir.
Push. Yeah. You get a friend to the hospital? Alright. Make sure. But Kush, you know you can't do them something again. Yeah, you know me a nurse and everything, but yeah, you can't do that again. I don't want to jeopardize my job, Kush. You can't do that again. You know, say a risk that I take. Kush, but where you really get yourself, you know? Kush, me tired for talk to you, you know. You're a talented boy, Kush, and you need to make better choices. Kush, me tired for talk to you, you know. You need to stop. You need to stop, Kush. Alright, cool.
Yeah, Navia, I'm glad you find out, say, yourself there and come say that a real big man if you take care of your body, as I say, and all them something and wise up and all them things there, you see it?
You know, sir, Rambo, all along me sleep with my enemy and I can't believe that Kush really killed my brother Rambo.
Come on, I saw them boys stay, man, them boys they eat that in the street, man, and just grow and do all kind of foolish. But guess what? You're there with the big dog, you know what you're supposed to do, you see it?
Rambo, I'm not cut you now. But I think I have an idea who rob your cambio.
Serious something, daughter?
Remember, say, me and Poochie was good friend. And Poochie and Kush used to there. So I kind of hear little things.
So I forget them to the bottom of this then, man.
Yeah, Rambo, you really need to get to the bottom of this because Poochie tell me say she hear some things over there.
Yeah, man, I'll get to the bottom of this. I want to see this Poochie. Yeah.
Yo, Rambo. What go on?
Up and out you know, man. Ready for them thing, you know, man. Ready for them thing, there, because I know them blue thing there, them a keep me up in the street, you know. Up and running, you see it? Man, cause also one boy mess up some of all my own them thing, you know, daddy. Give me some licking and face, you know. Yeah, man. What you say? What's the push them involved in a robbery in a cambio, brother? Where you say? You don't have to go get to him then, man. Say, Jigga, you come. Yo, me call you back there. Yo, Jigga!
Jigga. Forward.
Yo, Pimpin!
Forward.
I know star. What man I deal with? I know Pimpin, I tell you, a long time. I'm just here for talent show up some man. I know you done that to the head do a long time.
Street, I was looking at him.
I know man, I know you think different.
So I'm to Quench.
Quench? Quench good enough? Yo, I'm proud of him, man. The man all go back to school and things. I mean, I link him already yesterday, but now I get him, but what's at school, man? I'm busy and studying and things.
You know Quench though? Me give man some of my pill and fall lamp and police step on the road. And the man hook up on them and start take them, brother. Or I show up a yard. Me have to knock him out. You know tell him, man.
We are set to me Pimpin.
You have to watch what you are doing, man. And know where you sit down, and know where you are doing, brother. Because you see all push, a big things the man them mix up in there, brother.
Shandon, I know I say push. Always a hot-head still, but we are talking about Quench right now. Johnny is like, can't fat on that.
You have to watch where you are, man. Because soon them can't catch back with them and catch him shot, brother. You know all of that too, man.
Johnny. Yo, Pimpin.
You link
Thanks
up
for
in
letting me
the
know,
gym.
man. Yeah, brother.
Just walk straight.
Yeah, man, miss you.
I have good youth.
Ah.
So girl, how is your job?
Boy, I work, stressful, but anyways, I want something to drink?
Yeah man, water is good.
Alright. Oh.
Thank you.
So, what going on in your life?
Girl, same old. I know me can get a picture of the boy.
What do you mean?
You know, that's what I mean. I can't get a picture of him. No matter what we go out, all the time, you know, where I'm trying to get a pic, I know I'm take them, but anytime I reach home, I search my phone. Nothing in there.
So, you sure not hide something or what? You might hide from police or something?
I have no idea.
You sure say no one wanted man? You run away from home and come here. I don't want nobody know him. Eh?
Girl, me don't know. Or maybe just a good man.
Maybe.
Because I'm the first guy me ever talked to when I rush me for sex.
Maybe you have one of the good man them. You have a good problem on your hand. Maybe you might just have one of them, you know.
Girl, me don't know you know because with all of this, me don't know what him a weird pan.
You don't know either. If I didn't me, would have took that long time.
You know you're not easy, Stephanie, you're not easy.
So, maybe you have a good man on your hand. Maybe you might try to take things slow.
Well, you can be right. But me have to figure out what they're going because something is happening. Me have to figure it out though. So enough about me. You start getting your calls in it?
Oh, Jesus. Paulette, the boy no stop calling phone. And sometimes the things them we might talk about, I feel say I watch me.
Lord have mercy. Stephanie, you need to get the police involved.
You're crazy?
Me look like me crazy to you?
You're crazy? Jigga go find out. Me don't want Jigga.
And not everything you have to tell Jigga. You can't do it discreetly. And not everything Jigga have to know.
But Jigga go think say me cheap.
Girl, yes, I'm talking about your life. This is about your life.
Because me not understand. Eh? All me I try tell this guy say nothing can happen between us. I'm married and it was just a simple mistake. Him still not take no for an answer. Mr. Paulette, you know say me and Jigga go dinner one night. You know say the boy me see.
What you say?
Me say the boy me see me in the car and the boy come right at the window.
Me tell you, you need to get the police involved. I want weird of that. They must stalk you.
Him asked me to come see him, but I don't know. I just want to get this over with, Polly.
Listen to me.
Just want to get this over
Stephanie,
with.
as a friend, do not go. Too much things that happen. Up to the other night, them stabbed up one girl in the park, you know.
That's some here.
Right? So with all of this stabbing and shooting, what happened? Don't go. Me tell you, easier way, just get the police involved, make them go warning.
But when me go tell Jigga?
Him not have to know.
Him go find out.
Girl, you don't have no secrets. Everything you about Jigga find out. Eh?
I think me just about tell him.
Well,
Me go tell
do
him.
you? You think you can stop it? Man, the man attack you plus Jigga.
You know, I'm just going to see him and just get this over with. Just tell him my mind and just get this over with.
Steffi, me not think it's a good idea, but if you want to do that, then it's up to you.
But that's the only idea I have.
Well, handle your business then.
Hello. Hello. Steph. What one, baby? Where you there? Alright, I need to stay right now. You come in? You still coming? No, I'm not rush nothing. I just need to see you right now. Okay? Yeah, man, hurry up, come, man. Please. Okay. Come in. Come in. Hey. Come on here. One.
Look, you need stop. Just stop.
Yes.
Stop.
What's the problem? What's the problem?
You need to stop it, man. Look on the finger. Look.
So what? What
I'm
if
married. You need to stop this. This is foolishness.
Listen.
What you call me here for? You call me for... No.
I'm calling here to see you. Listen,
So-
I've been calling you like day, night, back, forth, and you don't respond to me. What's wrong?
Remember I'm married. Remember I'm married.
Well, you shouldn't get yourself involved with me even though you're married.
But that was a mistake.
Mistake, huh? You know? That means everybody just come and leave at them feel like, you don't take me for some idiot, right? You make my feelings get on the chart for you. I know you're just a cheap man like some idiot, so. Yeah? I mean, everybody live. See? Everybody live. We are human beings. You need to understand that. And I felt for you. I felt something for you, baby.
Look.
Don't give me, don't
Just
give
make
me
me talk, just please. Me and my husband on a good term right
I will
now.
tell me about this husband
We
business.
can't do
Yo.
this no. Just...
Yo, I'm fed up, God no.
Alright, you said you want to talk. Alright, let's just talk like two civilized people and just get this over with, alright?
Alright, let's do that then. Let's do that then.
Hold on, my husband takes us. Just text me back.
Who's that?
My husband. Alright. Okay, let's just see.
Give me a second, I gotta hit the bathroom.
Alright. Look, don't stay long.
Yeah, whatever. I want to stay long.
Alright, Paul, let me send the boss that picture to you. Alright?
So, Let's pick up where we left off.
Wait, I want to use the bathroom.
Use the bathroom.
Yeah, I want to pee.
Yo, who you send the picture to?
Where you going, I'm a burger?
Take me for idiot.
Give me my phone.
Never take me for idiot.
You don't do that.
Yo, Kush, give me a call, brother. I tell you, me running to pimping. And brother, I really look like a Quench, you know. Cause look like he need money, like he running at some things. So just give me back a call, dog. Me have some good news to tell you, to man. Link me back, see? Yeah, hello? What? Oh my God. Okay. I'll be right there.
Passion. Call it off. What have to call it off? Yeah, man. What have to call it off?
Hey baby, you should never give up on your dreams. No matter what the consequences may be. Hear me out. You hold the key to your success in life. You will determine if you wanna do the right. You have the answer to your failure in life. The key to your future in life. Also young and you expecting, now you're thinking that your future's gone. Doesn't have to be that way. Life still have all of its demands. I don't wanna hear about your mistakes. Oh no. I don't wanna hear you say now that it's too late. It's never too late, girl. It don't matter what your friends may say. It don't matter. You still can do anything that you wanna do. Oh yeah. You still can be anything that you wanna be. Only hold the key to your success in life. You will determine if you wanna do the right. You have the answer to your failure in life. Key to your future in life. Break it down. There is nothing that you pause your girl from achieving all your goals in life. They will even try to get you down. Gotta keep your head up high and do what's right. Little shorty shouldn't have to be an excuse. No, that is no reason for you girls to disobey the rules. That's not a good reason. That's exactly what we want you to do. I believe that you can really make it through. You can do it. Ain't nobody gonna do it for you. To all my ladies, I'm depending on you, yeah. Hold up now to your success in life. Only you will determine if you wanna do the right. You have the answer to your failure in life. The key to your future in life. Even though it might happen to you girls so unexpectedly, you should never let it get you down, girl. You know your destiny. Tired of seeing so many lives go to waste. I was writing this song, there was tears running down my face. My shirt was soaked. Cause I know that's not the way that it was meant to be. I want your ladies to hold on to your pride. Keep holding on. This is killing me inside. This is killing me inside. Hold the key to your success in life. You will be determined if you wanna do the right. You have the answer to the failure in life. The key to your future in life. You hold the key to your success in life.